Hi guys, this is Jackie from the Builderall team. In this session, we are going to look at the new webinar tool dashboard. To access the dashboard, you will need to go to apps, go to the left-hand side, and under builders, you're going to go down until you see Builderall Webinar Builder. You're going to click on that. It's going to open up a page like this. The first thing you're going to see is at the top left corner, it says back to office. If you click on that, it's going to take you back to this page. You will also see that there's a plus sign. If you click on the blue plus sign, that's where you're going to start creating the webinar or the start streaming. Then way at the top right corner is two different notifications. The one at the top is going to tell you if you have configured Mailing Boss, and the other one is for SMS notifications that you will be able to use inside of your webinar. The only time that this cross will disappear is if you go to your SMS app and you have credit inside of the app. To access that app, you're going to go to apps. You're going to move to the left, email and engagement, go straight down until you see SMS messaging. And this is the page that will open up, and you just need to buy credits. Once you've got enough credits, this will be activated and it will be ready to be used inside of the webinar. When we move down to the middle, you're going to see that we have a variety of different buttons. And the first one right here, the red one, if we click on it, that is Ghost Users. A ghost user is used to create engagement and conversions. Now, you will note that we've got multiple different languages available. All of them already have predestined names already created. We've got Italian names, English names, as well as Deutsch. And note that you can also add additional names. So if I click on New Group, I can call it French, for an example. Click on it, and it's going to create a new language. Then you click on the plus sign, and you're going to start adding your own names to the list. And you can just keep on adding and say OK. So if you double click on it, you're going to see these names appearing right underneath it. And that is how you would add the ghost users. Now we're going to look at the email sequences, and that is the second button, which is green. You're going to click on that. Now you can see that I've already set up a sequence here, but I will come back to this. I'm just going to show you how to start. So it says here, add a new sequence. You're going to give it a name. Going to say OK. Then there is a little plus sign. You're going to click on the plus. And this is where you need to fill in the details. So you need to add a subject line. Make sure that it counts, because this is the email that your subscriber is going to receive, and you want to make the subject line compelling so that they will click. Then you're going to type in details. You can add the tags, and then you would be able to also add the details of the webinar, the date of the webinar, as well as the invitation link. You can also do the recorded link after the webinar has taken place to send them a last email. Then you've got the subscription confirm message sent when users subscribe in the form. So once they subscribe into the webinar and you tick this, that is going to be the very first email that they are going to receive. Then you're going to click create. That is how you would start creating the different sequences. But I'm going to show you in the Builderall webinar sequence I've created exactly what I have done. I'm now just going to click on the trash can to show you that that's the way to delete. And then you click again, and that one is gone. So now I'm going to click on the one I've created. The first one I said, you're in, just one more step, hey, and then the F name. Thanks for saving your seat, and then the webinar title. Here are the details of the live masterclass you registered for. Then it's the date, the live link. You are going to learn how to solve, and then you give the problems, the goal to help you achieve, and then speak to you soon and all the rest. You can personalize this according to your webinar. And this is the first one that's going to be going out when they subscribe. Then there's a second one, 3 days and counting before 1 day. So let's click on that. It says again, the proper discount, a proper subject name. Are you excited? In just 3 days, we will reveal the secrets and help you to solve the problem. As you can see, I'm using all these different tags right here. And this time it is not subscribe confirm because they've already confirmed and they already received the first email. In this case, it's going to wait before 1 day and then it will be sent. And then you're going to hit save. There is a variety of options of before and there is also after. You can have days, hours and minutes. And then you're going to hit save. Then I've got a third one that says before 1 hour and then after 1 day and after 2 days, because that is going to be the replay. So you are going to create your email sequence in advance right here. You do have the option to create the email sequence inside the Evergreen webinar or the pre-recorded webinar that you are going to use. So it completely depends on how you want to do and create it first or inside of the webinar itself. But I will show you how to do that in another video. Then the next button is going to be the email. The first one is the green one is the email sequence, and then we've got the SMS sequence. So this works basically exactly the same as our email sequence. The only difference is going to be done via text. And that is why it is important to make sure that you do have credit inside of the Builderall SMS app. So when I click on this, you can see I'm just going to delete that one I've got. You can click on add new sequence. You can give it a name. You're going to say, okay. I'm going to click on the plus sign again. And exactly what we've done previously. Only difference is there's no tags that you would be able to use or a subject line because it is a text. So now you can just say you are in best webinar ever. Make sure you write a compelling SMS text. Subscription confirm message sent when subscribed in form, which means the client is going to receive this message the moment that they have subscribed to your webinar. And you're going to click create. And you're going to keep on adding to this specific one. Now it is not going to need to click on subscribe because they already created the first one. This one might be before 1 day, so you can have it as 1. Let me just click on 1 day. Almost there. Before 1 day, and we create. And that is how you're going to start creating your SMS sequence. Again, you can do it up front or you can do it later in the app, but I will show you in another tutorial how to activate it inside of the Evergreen app. The next one is the video manager. If you click on the dark blue, it's going to show video manager. And this is where you will be able to upload your pre-recorded video. You will give it a name. And you're going to click here to upload the video. And if you want to stream this video to YouTube and Facebook, this is the same place that you're going to do that. You just need to make sure that you tick the block. And you're going to hit save once it's been uploaded and encoded. And that is basically how you would add that. The black button is to be able to download the webinar recordings. Now what that means is you would be able to do a recording or have a webinar room with people inside of the room, and you would be able to record the whole webinar and afterwards download the webinars if you maybe need to upload it elsewhere. And that is an overview of the webinar dashboard.